Yeah, and I also recorded my phone screen, so I'm just gonna probably say that real quick. In order to pay from the crypto.com app, maybe I could just kind of go through it. So I do it through crypto.com pay because you can link your two accounts, the crypto.com app and this NFT marketplace. It's like the easiest way to do it. So you go here, then click on this, and then you got to go to your app. On the top right of the app, it's going to say pay, and then it gives you an option to click scan a QR code, and then it'll get processed. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I recorded this earlier, and in that recording I made a bid on an auction to show as an example, but for some reason the audio wasn't caught up on that, so I'm just gonna do it again. But I'm not gonna auction because I'm broke and I can't just keep buying stuff. But essentially what you gotta do to buy is click on any one of these, right? Actually, you know what, I'm gonna click on the one that I did. So I did Moon Boy. It was actually edition number 445. Right here it says this person bid for $4 and I bid for $14. $14 was the lowest amount that I could do. So if I wanted to outbid myself, I guess I would have to put $24. Now, why would I have to put $24 instead of $15? Because I was confused on that too. Like, the current bid is $4. Why is the minimum that I can put is 14, and now it's 24? So right here, I found it. The buyer places a bid, which can be higher than the previous, which has to be higher than the previous highest bid by 5% or $10, whichever is higher, which explains why it does. Also, when you place a bid, the money will get taken out of, I use the crypto.com app. The money will get taken out of your crypto.com, whatever currency you used. I use CRO. I was assuming that it was going to get refunded to me if I got outbid, which it also says it right here. So that's true. All right, thank you for watching.